Morning guys, absent sa si Dalton ron kay napadad si Jai sinat, napa si Jai mga low grade fever ba. Ako sa gawas kay ga-check ko sa flowers ug bagi pang tumpag sa mga manok. Ug naay nga ni guys, kuha ani idang kinaudlutan. Ana kay arong mo trigger putong ubos ug pang sanga-sanga yan. Dara guys sa mga fresh graduates. Bag-ong buhi nga orang makasurvive na sila kaya naman lagi pang kuag taklob. Hana nang gipang kutluan kay arong mas mubaga si Ja. Kuha ni guys, pasig matinga mo na ay nga puti-puti na agkawaja na nga tata. Ang gipandong-pandong diha. Nga puti-puti. Hindi pa rin guys dito wa. Ang gamaya pa pero flowering na. Bonsai mga ID ani kay kay mara mag-yellow re. Yellow dagkare orange. Na? Di ba? Guwapa ka dito sa gagmay pa buwak na. Mao ni latest na guys nga gi-propagate mga 4 days pa ni sila. Tanaw na tag na ba ning luso. Wa pa 4 days pa man pud. Kani 2 weeks na ni na tata-tanaw ani na maupag kahimua kay na humum gunis tubig kay na uwanan ba matay siguro na pero nanalingsing man. So hintayin na lang natin ng mga ilang araw baka magudlot pa siya. Udlot di ugat di udlot. Awa na guys, bloom na jud siya. Idang pikasan sa tanawa. Missing ka no, mabay pagtisok na 2 months pa. Kaya po daw. Orange nga pino. Indot po siya. Kaya guys, rareness da guys. Murag fire opal man niya na. Manigang buwak. Pa ko dani nagpropagate kay murag maluoy pa ko niya magkuha. Kani Nescafe ko nun Indutas color ara ka dark. Kani G21 nga may buwak sa buok. Instant kay murag sila na napasulatig patambok. Padung na po ni mamuwak guys. Okay na. Pero di ay. Padung na po na mamuwak. Hi Dalton, good morning. Yes, you're in the house? Okay, stay there because it's raining. I'll be right back. I'll be there. Good morning, Dalton. I love you. Absent sa kakaron. Gani po guys, paduong na po ni sa buwak. Basta mag-ingani na marubuwak na gani siguro na ning duso na. Buwak na dyan guys na. See that? Orange. Hala, dali-ralay ko nakapabuwak. Kala siya sa ginoo na dyan ni. Hala, bisag di nila ting season. Makalipay. Parang kailan lang. Nga mapay pagbali na diha sa idyang sidlanan. Gikan pa na just giputos-putos ba na ha? Kana pod guys, kana nga G21 kana dugay ka adyo mapupug idang buwak. Ala guys namuwak. Arang induta na karon pa ko kita sang buwak na first time para mamuwak ever. Ug wala na upawi di siguro na mo buwak. Hey. Hey Dalton, wanna say good morning to the guys?
I'm riding in the car.
That's not a car. You wanna say good morning to the guys here in the camera?
Yeah.
Okay, say good morning now.
Good morning.
Is your ear still hurt?
I'm still hiding here.
Yeah, you're hiding there. How's your ear? Does it still hurt?
Peanut butter.
Pakon ko ano. Madag man sa ang patuan.
In the peanut butter.
May fruit, di ba na ito peanut butter fruit? Nag-secret ra jud guys kana makapabuwa ko kag makita ko nga ni nigtanan nagdi pagay na buwak ah jud nang kuhaon. Kanang kani ba idang kinatumjan kani. Ingana na ibilin siya kay ari mag mga buwak manguan. Nga sanga. Dalawa guys wa kalipay buwak gamay. Buwak naman na. Napay mga zinya guys so haraman ang gipang itsa diha kay ganahan pa ko magtan-aw nila ba. Hindi pa pa ning buwak ka. Mo nang ganahan kong G21 kay tanawa. Nindota ka adto gyang buwak ba. Lahi pud jag porma ba. Pungpungon ba nga. Aniin kalipay. Mutanaw ko nami sa plants.
Wow, there's a plant.
Yeah.
What flower is that?
That's a string beans.
Beans flower.
Yes, look at this one. Look, this is a string beans. See? It's yummy. It's a yummy vegetable. Have you seen any more string beans there?
Yes.
See, dagag bunga.
What is the string beans?
You wanna eat the string beans?
There's a pink is far away.
Yes, there is.
There's a pink is hiding.
Yeah, it's hiding.
What is it? What is the pink beans?
Here, there's more. Right here. There's a baby string beans.
There is a pink is flower there.
Yeah, it's a batong. Can you say batong?
The button flower.
Yeah, batong. Can you say batong?
Button flower.
I'm gonna check the guava.
Right, it's a stick about guava here.
Okay, let's go. You tell the guys what happened to the guava, okay? Okay, let's go.
Wow, it's a guava.
Gilingaw-lingaw ni guys. Gigisapot na gini dang danggan.
Wow, that's guava. No, that's guava.
Yes, it's a guava. But what happened to the guava? Where are the fruits?
The fruit is gone.
Fruit is gone. Kaya mo mag-iipo. Hindi mo bunga dyan ng iipo. What about in the other plant? Here. Wow, that's a look. Wow, guava is getting bigger. Wow.
Oh, when I was going to fruit.
Yeah, but don't pick it, huh? It's still a baby. Hindi dyan ang
No,
ipon.
then I need to pick lemon.
You wanna go to the lemon?
Yes, I want to go to the lemon.
Go ahead. Wow, do you wanna touch it? Wow.
Hey, it's stuck there.
Yeah. Wanna touch it? That's big.
That's one more lemon.
Yes.
Where's the baby lemon?
Baby lemon is at the top. Oh guys, arang kahimus ka adyo. Nawa magsilipin ng iputos dani. Yeah, so many fruits. Kuan ni siya guys, California guava, daghan nagbunga. Wala ang daghan na need natong kuan. What's that, Elton?
That's a papa.
Wanna eat a papa?
No, there's a papa in the vine.
Yeah, there is. But there's many papaya here. Wanna go pick up some calamansi?
Yeah.
Let's go.
No, there's so many lemon.
Yeah, here. Wanna pick some? Right here. Wanna get some?
Yeah.
Ay, nag-harvest man guys among titalin gahapon. It's too small now. Let's pick later. What about okra? Wanna pick some okra?
Yeah.
Okay. Get some okra. Here, hold my hand.
How about the other side?
Don't touch the malung, guys. Okay, look. Wanna touch the peanut butter? Wanna touch it? Wow. Yummy peanut butter. Pwede ras Dalton makaharvest na na. So cute. Don't pick it, ha? It's still not ripe. Can you hold the camera? Take video, Nanay. There. Don't cover it. Hold there. Hold the other side like that. To. No, don't do that. Like this. Hold the other side like this. You video Nanay, ha? Nanay will get the okra. There. Hold the camera. Okay, good job. Okay, see if Nana is inside the screen now, okay? Look, is Nana inside now in the camera? Look at the camera. Is Nana there?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, guys, nakuha tag okra, guys. Are you sure?
Yeah.
There, let's pick the okra. Dalton natin videography ron. Kahit man. Dalton, it's hard for me to take the okra without an scissor. Dalton, can you still see me in the camera?
Yeah.
Dalton, where? There. Oh no, you can't see me now. Don't cover it with your finger. Naan sa naman yung videographer? Oy, there. Don't cover it with your finger. There. No, Dalton, here. Hold this. Here, hold this one. This one. Don't cover with your finger. Hold your hand like that. Okay. Okay. Dalton, look. No, don't cover it with your finger. Look. Can you see me in the camera?
Yeah.
Look at me in the camera, Dalton. Take a video of the okra. Come on.
There's a cross down.
Come on, take a video of the okra. There. Saan natin videographer, guys? There. Take a video of the okra. Can I borrow it? Can I borrow the phone?
Yeah.
Pandi pa kamao, guys. Tuwa na ni okra, guys. Kaya gahi naman din eh. Wala banta di. Wa tay kuan. Sana wa tay gunting. Sana ni. Dapat pa.
That's a miracle.
Kaya maguwang ni. Ano, wa man tay gunting lagi. May problema mangharbis. May gunting, wa kada. Lubagan naman eh. Wait, sa datong ka.
It's hard.
You wanna hold the okra? Here, hold it. Mahaglik man sa kay hait-hait. Hold this in the other hand. Get some more. Here, here's another one right here. Tay. Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Now I want to go on the stairs.
Yeah, sure. Dalton, look. Oh, see? That is a golden berry.
It's a golden berry.
You wanna have some? Don't step on Nanay's plant, huh? Dalton, wanna pick the eggplant?
Yeah.
Here. Get the eggplant now. Can you do it? Hold this one. And then hold this one. No. Here. Diba? Ako na naman, be. There. Good job. You did it. Kari ko ano kaya di mo guwang. Hold.
There's no one.
Check na tagatang kapadas og lucky ba. Badji ni. Kani guys. Sa inyo tan lucky badji. Mura mag-badji siguro. Kasagaran magud sa transplant. Mabadji na. Mura bang mo isumpa.
Guys, it's a vegetable.
So many vegetables. Wanna eat okra? Wanna eat it?
I'm gonna get the house.
Making a house? Okay, go ahead. That's a nice house.
What? Now look at the circle. It's round.
Yeah, it is.
Now look at the square.
Yes, it
Now
is.
what shape is that?
That's, I don't know what shape is that. What shape is that?
That's a circle.
Circle? Round?
Round, round, round.
Yes, round, round, round.
What?
What about this one? What shape is that?
That's a circle.
Yes.
What inside?
It's a potting mix for Nanay's plants. Napa day may pinja guys, salin sa gihatag ni Undoy. Undoy, salin gihatag sang guide. Undoy, may mga pinja.
Take me back to California. I wanna go back to 2018. I wanna go back to when I was happy. So take
Parang lamaya guys ha? Wow, daghan na no? Nagpunggas ha? Bagilid?
Lakaw, tapilo, nagduko, ang budkok na naman kita lang sa silipon.
Nagpunggas bagilid?
Natulas na, nasod na, gamay ang bato. Natama ka na ho, dato mansod sa rat sa pil. Dato na, sa kita. Nanaw, lagi mo lagi. Dream doing.
Asa man ka ron?
Dato ka.
Kuan ka? Magbalit ka?
Niguling na to. Kapit siguro ko ito.
Ikaw na, tilo ka na lang guys. Siguro magbayad ka dito, hindi mo makanaan.
Yung suka,
Sayang mo po na.
suka, pilig suka na eh.
Asa man yung gipalit?
Litsin, ano?
Litson, asa man ni sa atang suki? Ay, lamia oh. Bawal lang mag plastic dari sa anong sudi. Mato mo ko na sa has de.
Ano ito po siya?
Hmm.
Grabe, great.
Ang gaspas ko ng tinatamisan nga pinja, karabing lamia. Pinja sa natong buhaton na buliburan oh kasi ni. Wow, bara. Napay parat-parat pa. Bahalag tamis siya.
Tita, it's time for you.
Okay. Grabe ka juicy. Tubig-tubig man. Wala may ilagay natin. Yung mutlay ka dulit suna na. Pintas, wakay pamalaw. Nga ito guys. Tara. Mga nagigit mong dalton ganina. Hoy, mong tog-tog-ton. Agay. Mong tog-tog. Wanna eat okra?
No.
Okra is yummy, see?
No, what's that? How about chicken? Now, how about chicken, Nanay?
May chicken dun. Puro ito. Okraan, eggplant. Kari na lang ang sausawan.
Inside na to, inside.
Suka. Ang suka nila marunay tanduay. Promise, mo tagod. Mo na. Sila mo ragad. Amo ingan jud ka to sa mo buat. Dara ko koy buat sa makuha na lang ko dato puti na lang ako. Ha.